This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Sharon Alexander. Beautifully updated home with a great room floor plan. Great kitchen with granite counters, an island, a pantry and stainless steel appliances that flows into a nice dining hall with a slider out to a private deck with a cedar fence and composite deck. Nice living room with a gas fireplace. Upstairs is a huge master suite with vaulted ceilings, a walk-in closet and full bath. Laundry area upstairs along with 2 additional bedrooms and another full bath. This home shines. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Alexander at 503-666-2020.